Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. So today, if you've read my blog post, you learned that I have a system for paying bills. So my husband and I both use this system. It helps keep us both on track and we know what's going on if one of us is unavailable. So it's a really neat way to just keep us organized in general. So this is what it looks like. So you can see I've got a bunch of different columns and colors and Velcros and stickies and all kinds of fun stuff. So I'm going to show you first how to create this using Google Docs, or excuse me, Google Sheets rather. I am in no way endorsed by Google for using their products. I just prefer them over Microsoft Word. It's easier to share and the functionality of both programs are pretty similar. So if you've never used Google Sheets, it's very similar to Microsoft Excel. So if you're familiar with Excel, this should look pretty familiar. So I'm going to start in the A section here. And this is where I would put in all of my months. So you can see, you just tab over and you can input the information. So I'm not going to do all of that. You get the idea. So then my next column is the paid column. So I'm going to actually skip 2 spaces there and I'll show you why in just a second. Then we have how the bill is paid, the due date for each bill, the amount that we pay, and the not paid column. So I'm going to go back over here and I'm actually going to merge these 2 sections here. So I would have the rest of my months listed up at the top. So that's why I need to merge these 2 sections and not up top. So you just click the format and merge cells, and we're going to merge horizontally. So you can see that it just made this section bigger, but these boxes up here stayed small. So then you can go ahead and format things how you would like. I like to put things in bold. I like to put things in the center. So anything you prefer. So then you're going to just list your bills. So your mortgage, how it's paid, the due date, the amount that you pay. Wouldn't it be nice to only pay $10? So, and so on and so forth. So then you would list all of your bills and how they're paid, the due date, amount in those columns. So you'll notice that on mine, I have colored sections here. So I have these blue boxes. So that means how the bills are getting paid. So we're paying them online, but certain bills we use our checking account and other bills we use a credit card. So our little code is, the blue is from our checking account. So to make that, you would highlight the box and then come up here to this little paint bucket and then pick whatever color you want. And that's pretty much it. So that's it on the Google Sheets end of things. So then lastly, we put Velcro on here. So you'll see in the not paid column, there's a Velcro. And then in this column here, there's another section for Velcro. So when the bill is paid, we simply move the Velcro over and voila, that's it. So the months up here at the top, I didn't quite explain that either, did I? So the months at the top, so that just keeps track of which month we're in. It happens to be February, so that's the month that's ticked. So it's pretty easy, it's pretty simple, but it's something that really, like I said, it helps keep my husband and I organized, and I hope you find value in this, and best of luck. Thanks for watching.